Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have created this beautiful clean quick glam makeup look for Diwali. So in this look I have created a beautiful matte eyeshadow look with a bold red lipstick, and especially if you have red and black tones in your outfit, this will look fantastic. Or if you have some other color, you can switch up the lip color according to your outfit. So if you want to know how I achieve this beautiful glam makeup look for Diwali, then please do continue watching. To prime my face, I'm going to take the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Primer in the matte variant and just going to apply that on the main areas of my face and blend it out using my fingertips. This is a very good mattifying primer if you have oily skin. For foundation, I'm going to pick up my Sugar Cosmetics Ace the Face foundation stick in the shade Romano. So I'm just going to dot that on my entire face like so, and then I'm going to pick up a buffing brush to blend the product very well onto my skin. And I'm going to work in thin layers. For concealer, I'm going to take the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer in the shade Caramel, which is like a couple of shades lighter and a bit warmer. So I really don't have to use a color corrector. So I'm just going to apply that underneath my eyes and on top of the eyelids, on the center of my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow and chin. Then I'm going to take my the drugstore company Buff Buddy Beauty Blender to blend the concealer very well into the skin. Now to set everything in place, I'm going to take the Palladio rice powder in the shade Warm Beige on the same damp beauty blender, and first I'm going to bake underneath my eyes so that we can prevent any creases on the under eyes. I'm also going to set the eyelids on the forehead and also on my smile lines because I crease over there. While the powder is baking, I'm going to take my K Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade Hazelnut, and I'm just going to fill in any gaps that I can find in my eyebrows. This eyebrow pencil is really well pigmented and matches my hair color perfectly, and only drawback is that this doesn't have a spoolie. So I'm going to take a spoolie from my kit and just comb and spread the product throughout my eyebrows well. For eyeshadow, I'm going to pick up my Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette in Rose in the Air. So I'm going to take a very mid-toned warm brown matte eyeshadow from the palette on a blending brush and just going to apply that onto the crease as a transition in a windshield wiper motion. Next, I'm going to take this really white sort of like a beige matte eyeshadow on a flat brush. I'm just going to pop that on the main eyelid portion. I'm just building the color to the intensity that I want. Now I'm going to take a tapered blending brush and I'm going to pick up that really deep cool tone chocolate matte eyeshadow on the brush and just going to deepen up the crease area and also define the outer V using the same eyeshadow. For eyeliner, I'm going to take my favorite eyeliner. This one is the L'Oreal Flash Cat eyeliner in a black shade. This one is perfect if you are a beginner and struggle to do your winged eyeliner because it's very easy to use. So I'm just going to create a very dramatic winged eyeliner on both my eyes using this pen eyeliner. And it is very jet black as well and stays very good. Now I'm going to pick up the same matte brown chocolatey eyeshadow on an angled brush and just going to apply that right on top of the winged eyeliner that I just created to make it smoky. And this is just going to tone down the eyeliner and make it look a bit more subtle. I'm also applying the same eyeshadow on the lower lash line. Once that is done, I'm going to brush off all of the excess powder on my face using a fluffy powder brush and set the remainder of my face using the same Palladio rice powder. For mascara, I'm going to take the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara and do a lot of coats to the top and bottom eyelashes. Then I'm going to take my NYX matte bronzer in the shade Dark Tan, which is also one of my favorites. So I'm just using an angled bronzer brush to apply that to the hollows of my cheeks and the perimeters of my face to add some depth, dimension and warmth. I'm also applying that on the forehead, on my jawline. And then I'm going to switch over to a smaller blending brush to define the sides of my nose and under my lower lip to make it look a bit poutier. For blusher, I'm going to take my current favorite blush. So this one is the L'Oreal Le Bar blush in the shade City Explorer, which is such a beautiful muted earthy dewy finish sort of a blush. So I'm just gonna apply a light wash of that to the apples of my cheeks. For highlight, I'm going to take the Kiko water eyeshadow in gold. This used to be my old favorite and I just rediscovered it. So I'm just going to take that on a blending brush and just going to apply that on the tops of my cheekbones, on the bridge of my nose, on my cupid's bow, on my chin. And this gives such a beautiful, almost wet looking dewy effect on the skin. I'm also going to use the same highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes and my brow bone. Moving on to the lips, I'm going to take the Lakmé Perfect Definition Lip Liner in the shade Cocoa Fudge, which is like this very beautiful cool toned mauvey brown lip liner. So I'm just going to use that to slightly overdraw my lips, and since we are using a very bold lip color for this look, defining your lips is very essential. For lipstick, I'm going to take this stunner of a lipstick, which is the Milani Amore Matte Lip Cream in the shade Devotion, which is like this very beautiful deep blood red sort of a lip color. Especially for dusky skin tones, it is very beautiful. So I'm just going to apply that on my entire lips very precisely. And this one is very matte, so you have to prep your lips very well before applying the lipstick. I just soaked my lips in lip balm before I applied this lipstick and took it off using a tissue paper right before the application. So that's how it looks. I also popped on some falsies off camera. These are the SHEIN falsies, but you can use whatever lashes you have. And now to lock the makeup in place, I'm going to take the Sugar Cosmetics Grand Finale Setting Mist in a matte variant and just going to spray that all over my face. So that is the finished makeup look, which is very beautiful, especially if you have black and red colors in your outfit, this makeup look is just the perfect makeup look. Or if you have some other color, you can just switch the lip color and it should go very well with any outfit. So yeah, this is the finished look using all affordable products. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up, comment, and do not forget to subscribe for more such videos. I'll put the details on the outfit, earrings, and everything in the description box, and make sure to follow me on my Instagram. The link will be in the description box as well. That's it for today, and I shall see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.